Calling all tots!
Marty!
Hi, you little nugget.
We know how much fun you're having in your new jungle home, swinging on all of those vines.
Like this.
So we wrote you a swingin' song.
Yeah! Coming at you live, we're the Rock-A-Tot-Tots. Ready, fellas? Let's get swinging, it's swingin' time. We're having some fun in the jungle. Let's get swinging from vine to vine. Come on!
We're gonna monkey around. You're so lucky. Your jungle gym is an actual jungle. Your kids are playing.
Every tree branch is a monkey bar. You can launch yourself like a shooting star.
You can't be grumpy, acting like a monkey.
Let's get swinging, it's swinging time. We're having some fun in the jungle. Let's get swinging from vine to vine. Come on! We're gonna monkey around. You're so lucky, you've got a tail.
You can hang upside down without fail.
The smooth tree trunks are a slippery slide.
You can zoom right down to the other side.
I feel so funky,
Acting.
like a monkey.
Let's get swinging, it's swinging time. We're having some fun in the jungle. Let's get swinging from vine to vine. Come on! We're gonna monkey around. I think that means he liked it.
That's the delivery bell.
And that means we've got more babies to bring to their forever homes.
But we'll swing on by and visit you real soon.
And remember,
The Rock-A-Tot-Tots love you lots and lots.